Welcome to the final lesson in the AI Applied track. Today, we're building something real, an AI-assisted phishing triage tool. Here's the concept. When users report a suspicious email, a SOC analyst has to examine the headers, check the sender domain, look for red flags in the content, and decide if it's phishing or a legitimate email. That takes time. Let's automate the first pass. We'll write a Python script that takes an email sender address, subject, and body as input, then uses an AI API to analyze it for phishing indicators. The prompt will instruct the AI to check for urgent language, mismatched URLs, sender spoofing, and requests for credentials. The script will output a risk score, low, medium, or high, along with specific indicators it found. The analyst reviews the output and makes the final call. The AI does the first pass in seconds. The analyst does the final judgment. Here's why this matters. You didn't just learn about AI. You built something with it, something that saves real time on a real task. That's the point of this entire track. AI is a tool in your toolkit, and the people who know how to build with it will be the ones who succeed. You've completed the AI Applied track. Next, check out the Pro tier where we build more advanced AI security tools. See you there.